I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of renewable energy sources. In this session, I am going to discuss one of the important topic. What are the causes of energy crisis? It may ask in the university examination. As you can observe, a few figures which are displayed in the diagram, which are displayed in the PPT, which is very clear, saying that there is a unbalance between supply and demand. Now the world is moving on to energy crisis. Obviously, we need to focus on the implementation of new energy sources. First of all, we will discuss about what are the major causes of energy crisis. Everybody can observe that these are the few important causes of energy crisis. The first reason is increase in population, then increasing energy usage of or consumption, then uneven distribution of energy sources, lack of technical know-how, that means lack of practical skills and knowledge, wastage of energy, natural disasters, calamity, and major accidents, ultimately the infrastructure deterioration. So these are the major reasons or major causes of energy crisis. I would like to discuss. I want to put some light on those important topics. Increase in population. So as you know that the population growth that is increasing day by day, there is a drastic growth of population, especially in Asia as well as Africa. So it is the literature says that Africa has the highest population growth rate. So we anticipate that at the end of 2050, the world population will be around 10 billion. Okay. So these are the one of the major reason. As the population increases, obviously energy consumption is also will be increased. Okay. So that will be one of the cause of energy crisis. Another one is increasing energy usage of consumption. So civilization, then the development of techno-socio the segment of techno-social development, industrial revolution, another most important thing. Then the improvement in transportation system, rail, water, air, etc. So because of this reason, obviously we require more and more energy. Another one is uneven distribution of energy sources. You know that the distribution of energy sources are not equal in the globe. If you talk about the oil, it is mostly available in the Gulf countries. Okay, so we can say that nuclear fuel that is available in the rare places. So we can say that there is an uneven distribution of different energy sources. So uneven distribution means some area we have deficit of energy sources. That is another remarkable point. Fine. So this point you have to take care. Another important is lack of technical know-how. We have energy source, but how to extract energy? That's a question. So if people do not know how to extract energy sources, how to develop the energy sources, that is a major issue. So lack of technical knowledge, the lack of knowledge on energy conversion, the transmission, distribution, and that will be reason for the utilization of energy sources. We should learn how to extract renewable energy source. Infrastructure deterioration, that is another issue, like damaging the public properties. Okay, so that is another issue of damaging means again we have to reconstruct. Now that will consume more and more energy. Another important point is wastage of energy. Many of the people are not aware about the wastage of electrical energy or any type of energy sources. That will also lead the more and more production requirement. Fine. Another one is actually natural calamity, disasters, and major accidents. Well, for example, earthquake, volcano eruptions, especially in Indonesia or Japan, you can observe tornadoes, then floods, tsunamis, then pandemics, epidemics, catastrophic disasters are will be reason for causes of energy crisis. And also there is a huge gap between the supply and demand. We have to bridge the gap between supply and demand. It should be balanced. Then only we can overcome the energy crisis. Okay, so these are the major causes of energy crisis. In this session, I have discussed the major causes of energy crisis. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you have any doubts regarding this topic. Have a great learning.